Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to copy your profile link on Facebook using a PC with the new update. It's a simple process that can come in handy when you want to share your profile with friends or on other social media platforms. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on Profile from the left side menu. Next, you'll want to locate the web address for your profile. This is the link that will take you directly to your profile page. Once you've found it, right-click on the web address. A menu will pop up, and you'll want to select Copy from the options. This will copy the link to your profile to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you'd like. And that's it. You've successfully copied your profile link on Facebook using a PC with the new update. Now you can easily share your profile with others or use it for your own purposes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.